The HP docking station case was made with plastic and it has some small plastic latches, so keep your muscles away while disassembling this piece of technology. Here is a quick introduction to this little black box. It is an HP docking station display link. C/a universal dock G2. Power button, Ethernet, HDMI, 2 display ports, 2 USB ports and a lock port. 2 more USB ports on the side, and the audio jack. You will find 2 USB-C from the front, 1 USB-C port with data and power out 15 watts, 1 USB-C cable to connect to host. And finally, the power cord has an L shape. Cool design, right? The only tool you need is a Phillips PH1 screwdriver. Remove the screw that is on the power cable path. Lift a bit from the front and push the cover back while lifting it. Remove the 2 screws that are holding the USB-C cover. Lift and pull up the cover, it has 2 plastic latches. Remove the 4 screws that are holding the plastic cover. You may need to apply some pressure when lifting the cover up. Disconnect the power button connector. The assembly. The motherboard and its chassis should come easily out of the plastic case. Remove the screw that is holding the power button in place. Remove the 3 screws that are holding the motherboard to the chassis. Separate the chassis and the motherboard. You will need to use some gentle pressure to separate them as they are a bit sticky due to the ship protective pads that are inside. There they are, all the HP docking station components. From here on, we will put it back together. Just reverse the first steps or keep watching. Put the chassis and the motherboard together. You cannot misalign them as they only have one way to get back together. Screw in the 3 screws that are holding the main board. Put the power button controller. It has 2 plastic alignments to help you put it back properly. Slide the chassis inside the plastic case. Again, it is hard to misalign them as they only have one way to go. Connect the power button connector. Place the outside cover. Use the power supply plug as your guide for alignment. Screw in the 4 screws that keep the assembly together. Plug in the USB-C cord. Place the cord holder as it shows on the video. Place the cord cover upwards and gently press down. Screw in the 2 screws that are holding the cover. Place in the base cover starting from the back first. It has 2 plastic hooks and they need to be inserted first. Screw in the last screw. The screw that we put on the side is a spare screw that we keep there just in case. Until next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.